Hindi. Automatic yun eh. Yun ang maganda doon eh. We don't need to do that in plenary because Erwin is the vice chairman. So therefore, in the absence of the chairman, he automatically becomes chairman. He is automatically the acting chairman of the Blue Ribbon. Ngayon, we will ask Senator Tulfo when he comes back. He's presently abroad for a very short while. When he comes back, we will have a Blue Ribbon meeting.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, ano pong napag-usapan sa caucus?
Yung majority na pag-usapan na we are not discounting any of the five na pwede naming makausap na maging chairman ng Blue Ribbon. As a matter of fact, most of us, kung present lahat, they would like to appeal to Senator Lacson. But in the meantime, Senator Erwin Tulfo, being the vice chairman, automatically becomes the chairman right now. So he is the acting chairman. And we all agreed that he's acting chairman. So I called him and I made sure that he accepted it. And he did accept it. Pa rin kandidato namin at lahat ng mga kasama namin, any of the five,
But
especially Senator Lacson.
but none of the five wants it right now.
Right now, yes.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, acting chairman si Senator
Acting chairman ngayon.
Tulfo.
Top now, acting chairman si Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Because
And as soon as he comes back, we are going to conduct a Blue Ribbon meeting. Meeting muna.
But what happens with the hearing now that you only have acting chairman? Tuloy po ba yung hearing?
Patuloy yun. The Blue Ribbon is always alive. It's always alive eh. That's the only community na may motu proprio powers eh. Okay? Now, it doesn't mean that because nasa break o nasa out of town, it doesn't mean that the Senate's not working. The reason we have this break is so that the committee hearings continue. There will be continuous hearings of the different committees and even most especially the Committee on Finance, almost daily.
Sir, yung acting, pero eventually magiging permanent chairman siya ng Blue Ribbon o pagdidesisyonan pa rin niya?
Pagdidesisyonan niya. Pagdidesisyonan niya at namin.
So far,
Sir, yung binanggit po ninyong 5, sir, lahat sila ayaw.
At the moment, ayaw.
Dahil ano pong binanggit?
Plus, Senator Lacson, medyo, they're very, ang sinasabi nila is very busy sila doon sa mga hearings nila eh. Halos lahat, 2-3 committee
pero
na hinahawakan nila na very, very important committee, major committees. So what they're saying is that they don't have time for it right now. So kaya yung right now, ibig sabihin nun, kaya hindi namin di-discount na yung 5 ay totally out of the question.